It begins with the barley, moves through the mash and fermentation stages, before finally being packaged for enjoyment.
The rising sun illuminates the vast scale of modern agriculture, where precision and nature combine.
The moisture content looks promising here.
Yes, another few days of sun and we should be ready for the harvester.
The journey from the fields to the silos is a critical link in the agricultural supply chain, ensuring the harvest reaches the world.
These towering stainless steel silos are the heart of the operation, capable of holding thousands of tons of grain.
The key is in the texture. As we break these down, you can see the concentrated lupulin powder, essential for the brewing process.
Welcome to the staging area, where the brewing process begins with the 4 essential ingredients.
Pay close attention to the bypass line during the transfer phase.
So this indicates the automated cutoff sequence.
Correct, but we still need manual confirmation here.
Aeration is achieved through the slow rotation of the drum, preventing matting and ensuring a uniform modification of the grain. As the drum rotates, the heat caramelizes the sugars, developing the deep color and complex flavors we look for. Next, the finely milled grist travels from the silos towards the mash tun, where the brewing process truly begins.
Here in the mash tun, the precise mixture of hot water and golden grist begins the conversion process.
Compared to. The mash is now being transferred from the mixer into the lauter tun. The automated valves open.
The rotating sparge arm ensures an even distribution of hot water over the grain bed, a critical step in the lautering process.
The boil schedule timer ensures precise timing. As you can see, the next hop addition is scheduled for the 60-minute.
The whirlpool vessel uses centrifugal force to separate the hop and other solids from the clear wort, forming the characteristic trub cone in the center.
As the whirlpool slows, the heavy solids, or trub, begin to settle into a centralized cone.
Oxygenation is crucial at this stage. We introduce controlled microbubbles to the cooled wort to ensure healthy yeast propagation. Once the brewing is complete, the wort is quickly transferred into these towering tanks, ready for the introduction of yeast. The fermentation process is carefully controlled within these massive tanks, utilizing the exterior cooling jackets to ensure consistency.
The CO2 is safely routed into the capture system via this blow-off line, allowing for gentle vapor movement.
As you can see, the gravity is trending down steadily.
Yes, but the slight fluctuation in pressure needs monitoring to ensure the fermentation remains stable.
The inline density meter confirms the gravity is dropping steadily, indicating a healthy and robust fermentation process.
Sensory evaluation is critical. I'm looking for diacetyl or any signs of infection before we clear the tank.
The stability of the foam is critical in this process, as demonstrated by the slow ascent of these tightly packed bubbles.
This stability ensures the target carbonation level is consistently met throughout the process.
Once fermentation is complete, the settled yeast is harvested from the conical tanks. This slurry is then collected for the next batch.
After fermentation is complete, the beer is transferred to a bright tank for conditioning. This smooth process is crucial for clarity. Maintaining a stable, cold temperature in these tanks is crucial for clarifying the beer and stabilizing its flavor profile. Here in the sight glass, the beer becomes noticeably clearer, developing that brighter golden color with distinct carbonation trails.
Here, the dosing pump adds the measured findings. This precise metering through the sealed lines is
Here, the high-speed inkjet applies the crisp, readable batch code directly onto the cans before they move to packaging.
Here we see the synchronized choreography of the automated arms, swiftly moving the cans into the recycled fiber cases.
This state-of-the-art facility handles thousands of pallets daily with calm precision, reflecting our commitment to efficiency.
This automated system fills and seals the kegs without spills, showcasing a highly controlled and hygienic process. The staging area is the heart of the operation, with every outbound shipment carefully routed and ready for transit.
Spanning the distance between city and country, modern logistics keep our economy moving efficiently across the nation's highways.
The heart of the distribution center, pallets are received and split by region, utilizing overhead glides and advanced conveyors to streamline the process.
In this highly automated facility, the climate is meticulously controlled, ensuring every beverage batch remains perfect before distribution.
Place the IPAs on the top shelf, next to the stouts. Make sure the kegs are rotated first in, first out.
The Cascade hops really bring out the citrus notes in this batch.
It's incredibly smooth.
And if you notice the clarity here, that's a direct result of our unique filtration system before it hits the bright tank.
It begins with the barley, moves through the mash and fermentation stages, before finally being packaged for enjoyment.
From grain to glass,